来关心美国的总统大选，11月初5要投票，剩2礼拜尔。7大摇摆州之一的威斯康星州将提前投票，因为这7个州大约是有160万的海外选民，这选民的票对选举的结果会有正大影响。最近有调查显示讲，美国少年亚洲的选民影响力有提升，嘛发现讲伫真侪议题，这少年的亚洲的较支持民主党的何金丽。
50张选举人票的摇摆州威斯康辛州支持举行总统大选提前投票，未少投票所透早就出现真侪投票人。共和党总统候选人川普2020年伫这州用不到2.1万票输给拜登。这州之一上新的民调显示，川普甲民主党的何金丽两人胜负不过1%。
I didn't vote for him to be the pastor of my church. I voted for him to be the president of this country. This country needs to be run like a business, and he's a businessman.
Predominantly because I am a woman of color, and I'm like I said, I'm moderate, but my body, my choice.
前美国总统奥巴马支持到威斯康辛州，甲民主党副总统候选人华兹合体，替何金丽有票催票，佮将目标对准川普。
So, Wisconsin, we do not need to see what an older, loonier Donald Trump looks like with no guardrails. America's ready to turn the page.
川普第二伫北卡州时批评奥巴马假本事，也强调拜登政府4年无能免阁继续。
Are you better off now than you were 4 years ago? I don't think so. I don't think so. So I'm here today with a message of hope for all Americans. With your vote this election, I will end inflation. I will stop the invasion of criminals into our country.
离大选倒算2礼拜，选情真紧张，因为以前大选海外选民投票率拢无悬，今年两党各积极争取可能决定大选结果的海外侨民的支持，尤其伫7大摇摆州的160万合计选民，每一张票拢可能左右选情。根据美国亚系非裔甲西语系团体自治公布的联合调查结果显示，18到44岁亚裔少年选民的政治影响力有明显提升。伫经济、种族平等甲气候等议题，63%亚裔少年选民支持何金丽，只有33%支持川普，有可能伫今年大选的摇摆州发挥一定的作用。公视新闻记者庆平报。